Hello my internet friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you how you can fetch the particular file from any GitHub repo to your local device. So there will be many ways to fetch the repo or may not be, but this one is the best. And yeah, no need to clone the whole repo, just by only one command you can get that particular file or any folder from the GitHub. So let's jump into our video. Well, I want to tell you, if you have not followed me on LinkedIn, so this is my profile. So go and follow because I have already posted that same how to clone particular file from the repository. So just follow me so you will get any new updates from my LinkedIn post. So you can read that small post related to that. So you can see here is the link for that particular how to fetch that repo. I will provide that link into the description. So it is by Gymugige. I don't know how to spell that. Gymuzia. So it is saying GitHub file fetcher. So you can read from these two. So let's do it practically. First thing, we need to install this package GitHub file fetcher. So first I will just open my command prompt. You can simply write cmd and it will pop up, and I'll just make it big. And first thing, we have to install that package. So for that I will simply type npm install -g hyphen g means globally, and github dash hyphen files dash fetcher and hit enter. So it will just download that package, and for I have already downloaded that package, so it is saying updated. So this GitHub file fetcher is now globally downloaded, I mean installed in my device. So next thing, how we can fetch that particular file. So first let's go to GitHub. So I will just fetch the file from my one of the repository. So I will just open this, or okay, views.py. So this is one Python file related to Django. Well, I want to fetch that file which is views.py into my device. So how we can do that? So first thing, open that directory where you want to fetch that file. So I have already created that directory saying for GitHub files, and I will simply right click and say github open git bash here. If you don't know how to use these and download, so I have already created one video on that. You can simply refer that, you will get one simple understanding related that. So next thing, I will just write one simply command and it will get automatically downloaded. So I will just make it little bit large with. So I will just write one command, that is fetcher fetcher hyphen hyphen url equals to double inverted commas. So in that we have to pass that repo url. So that is this one. So this is the files I want to fetch from this repository, which is views.py. So you can see this url, just copy that particular url which you want to fetch, and inside that just right click and paste. So you can see this is our command, and press enter. You can see no errors, and you can see here that file it's downloaded in that GitHub file. So this is how you can fetch that repository, I mean that file from that particular repository, and after that you can edit that also, and again push that to that particular repository after updating. So this is was one simple, I mean not a trick or simple way to fetch that file without cloning the whole repository. So that's it for today's video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and take care.